everyone. So in today's video I will be talking about a very quick tip in which we will see how can we take multiple user inputs using single input statements. So let's have a quick look at my VS Code. So what I'm going to do is the simplest way to get user input is like we can say input number and my bad. Okay, and similarly if I need another input, what I will do is I will go ahead and just paste it over here. Okay, now I can go and say print A and I can say print B. So this is one way. Let's quickly run it and see how it works. So it is asking me enter number. I will say 12. I enter another number which I am saying 34. So you can see the output is coming as 12 and 34. Now let's see how can we reduce these two lines to one. So even if there is another, let's say you have another input C, you can do in similar fashion. So now I will show you how can we reduce these number of lines with just one line. So give here A comma B and here we can say enter numbers. And the magic is in the word split. So you can call split and then run it. So now again you can see that it is asking me for a number. So I will say 3. I will go to my terminal and say 3. Then I can say 5. So at 3 and 4. So you can see that it is showing me 3 and 4 as an output. So this is a quick tip on how you can club multiple statements into single input statements. So I hope you enjoyed this short video and thanks for watching.